First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we've had a weekend full of sunshine and warm temperatures, but also the muggies have come back, and with that, we get some pop-up showers and thunderstorms. And as those will continue for not only today, but for the rest of the work week, you can almost count on any one of those storm cells producing some drenching downpours and a lot of intense lightning. So get ready for that. Right now, pretty quiet on First Alert Live Doppler radar. Of course, it's going to take a few more hours for the heat of the day to produce any showers and thunderstorms, but we'll have a very unstable atmosphere by this afternoon, and the radar will be full of activity once again. We're at 66 degrees right now. As far as temperature trend over the next 7 days, 81, that's where we should be for an average high temperature this time of the year. We're going to hit 87 today and keep it pretty much in the mid 80s all the way through the upcoming weekend, even into the beginning of next week. So if you're looking for a cool down, it's certainly not going to happen the next 7 days. We're going to stay quite warm, quite muggy, and each of these days, with the one exception of being Saturday and part of Sunday, we're going to have a daily chance of at least a shower or a thunderstorm somewhere in our vicinity. And that, of course, south central Kentucky with the current temperatures mainly in the mid 60s across the area this morning. But then you throw in the dew point, and that is another way we measure the amount of moisture in the air. And when we see dew point temperatures in the mid 60s or near the air temperature as well, though that means near 100% saturation, or at least 90 to 100% saturation of moisture in the atmosphere. That's what makes it feel so thick and so muggy and so humid, and it's going to stay that way. And that humid air mass is what's going to help fuel some of the thunderstorms that pop up this afternoon, along with this, the sun energy that's out there this morning. We're seeing a beautiful start to the day from DopplerCam, but later on there will be those pop-up showers and thunderstorms. 66 degrees, current temperature reading right now in Bowling Green with a light southeast wind at 4 and a rising barometer. Russellville, you're in the dark. No, it's just the weather cam there this morning. Let's move on to Franklin. You're at 66 with the sun breaking through the trees there and some of the clouds at Simpson County this morning. Greenville, you're starting off mainly clear. In Muhlenberg County, your temperature at 67 there this morning. Air quality, well, it's unchanged, and it will be at least for a while longer until we get a little bit more rain in here. But the pollen count in the moderate high category, grasses and trees, juniper and oak being the main culprits. Ozone, moderate. Molds are low, but the UV index, as you probably well know if you've been out, especially at the swimming hole over the weekend, you're noticing the UV index in the high category, so slap on some UV protection if you're going to be outdoors at all today. Barren River Lake, that's our hometown forecast today. 87 for Bowling Green, 86 Glasgow, 87 Scottsville, 88 for Franklin. The Powerball jackpot for the Wednesday night drawing now estimated to be at $152 million, and the next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be at $20 million. Radar, fairly quiet over south central Kentucky right now. There are some renegade showers over the eastern part of the state, but with a kind of a cutoff low or an upper wave, it's back to our south and west. We're going to continue to see the chance for a shower or thunderstorm popping up pretty much any place, any time, especially during the afternoon and early evening hours. And with the clouds mixing with the sunshine today, we're going to have plenty of heat and instability for those showers and thunderstorms, which basically fade away after dark because we lose that daytime energy. 68 right now at the Bowling Green Airport. High pressure in control of our weather overall, but this is a kind of atmosphere where as the high pressure moves further south and east, the ridge is still here, but it flattens out once you head a little bit further north and west. And with an incoming front to the north and then that upper wave back to the west, we're going to continue to see those pop-up shower and thunderstorm chances for the rest of the work week. You can almost count on it. Then during the nighttime, everything fades away. Then tomorrow, it's kind of what I call a rinse and repeat forecast because it's not going to be that much change over the next few days. 87 today, warm and humid, scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Those ending in the early evening hours, then muggy tonight, a low of 65. After those showers kind of fade away, it just leaves a muggy atmosphere, which is going to stay with us For the next few days, as mentioned, through the rest of the work week, high temperatures will remain in the mid to upper 80s. Saturday, really the only day when we don't have showers in the forecast.